I'm back. I'm back to share another Easter album I made out of chipboard. I created it at Hearts and Crafts using Dear Liz and Craft. It's a new spring collection and it has 24 pattern papers and it's very fun and colorful. Again, here I use a 3-ring binding system with ribbon. It's just, since it was so thin, it was easy just to bind it with these rings here. So this is really fun and easy to make. Fun because of the paper collection. It's so colorful and perfect for spring. I use a twine here, some glossy accents, the pop stickers, more glossy accents, some ribbon here, and then some of these photo mats I matted, like this one here, and then I distressed some of the tags, added some ribbon. It only took me about an hour to make this fun chipboard album. See the paper? It's so pretty. I love the colors they use for spring. And that's it for this little album. Now, I did a 2-page layout, a 12 by 12 layout, using another brand new spring collection. I don't know if you can see that right here. And again with the twine. Now this brand new paper collection is by Paradise, and it's from My Little Yellow Bicycle. And again, it was real fun and quick to make. I hope this helps you for your new spring projects. And you share your projects with me. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.